Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Popup Maker in WordPress. First, you'll need to install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, and then click Add New. Search for Popup Maker, install it, and then activate it. This will add a new menu item to your admin panel where you can begin creating your pop-ups. Now that the plugin is active, let's create your first pop-up. From the Popup Maker menu, select Add New Pop-up. Give your pop-up a clear name and title so you can easily identify it later. Then, use the familiar WordPress editor to add all the content you want to display inside your pop-up, just like a regular page or post. Next, you'll define when and where your pop-up appears. Under the display settings, you can specify conditions, such as showing it only on certain pages or to specific user roles. Then, set up your triggers. You can choose options like a click, a time delay of a few seconds, or even an exit intent, which activates when a user tries to leave your site. Finally, let's make your pop-up look great. Explore the appearance settings to choose a theme and customize its styles, colors, and fonts. You can also adjust the pop-up's dimensions, add engaging animations, and configure the overlay. Once you're happy with everything, simply save and publish your pop-up to make it live and visible on your WordPress website.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.